welcome back to my channel. Today it's another clothing haul and this one is very affordable. Here you can find amazing trendy tops at a very cheap price, but the quality is not cheap at all. I am talking about Street Style Store. So today's video is going to be Street Style Store haul. It's a clothing haul and I have 6 items with me right here. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So those who don't know, Street Style Store is an online page which has a website, and there you can find amazing clothing pieces at a very reasonable price, and it's in combos. Like you get 3 tops for $7.99, one piece is for like 1200, 3 for like 1200. So they have amazing deals going on. You can also find shoes over there. Their boots are amazing quality, last like years and years, and still it feels like new. So I just love their footwears. They also have combos where you get 3 flats for 999 rupees, which is, I think, amazing deal. 300, 350 for like just one pair of flats, that too a fancy one, and in different colors and like different stripes and different varieties, even printed. So that's amazing according to me. So they also have men's section, party wear section. I'll put a screen recording right here so you can have a look at their website, and also I'll put the website in the description. So they have these kind of categories where you can find tops and dresses in a combo of 3 for just like 799 and 1199 rupees. They also have COD and prepaid shippings also, and they only charge like 50 rupees or 100 rupees, and most of the time they don't even charge also that. And if you don't want to buy in this combo offers, you can also go for like a single piece. That's also like really affordable. Let me just start with the very first top. So the very first top I bought this for $7.99 for 3 tops. $7.99 for 3 tops. That was amazing deal according to me. And the first top is, this is the first top right here. It's like a high neck here, and it's like sleeveless and a crop top. This is really amazing to layer on. Like you can wear inside denim jackets or just as crop top, or you can also layer it with a shirt or wear inside like a bomber jacket if you're going to any cold places. So this is really amazing top. It's like in a ribbed sort of material, so it's really stretchy as well, and it's white, so I would say yes, it is a little bit see-through, but I don't mind. You can always wear like a nude bra. Next top I got in this combo was this black strappy top. Again, it's a crop top, and this has a different neckline. It's like the square kind of a neckline, and it's again in that ribbed sort of material, and this one is not see-through at all. This is black, so black usually don't be like see-through, and the material is also good. I wore this tops like quite a few times, so I can say that the quality is very good. For the price you pay, it's really good. The third top I got is this beautiful top. It's like a cotton candy tie-dye one. This you have seen me wear in the DIY aesthetic rings video, and this top is really amazing. Again, same ribbed material. This has like a round neckline, and again sleeveless, and it's cropped. This after wash, the colors are not fading. That's a really good thing, and the quality is amazing. And these all 3 tops I got just for 799 rupees. So for 800, getting this 3 tops is a total steal deal. Now there are 50 to 100 like different tops. So ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि आप लोगों को यही 3 कॉम्बो में मिलेगा. From their whole page you can select any 3 tops, and during the checkout time वो 799 में shift हो जाएगा. They'll deduct the offer discount price, and फिर आपको 3 tops 799 में मिलेंगे, but you have to select from their category. So now that the one combo is over, let me just come to an overview of what Street Style Store is. So Street Style Store also have their own store in New Delhi. So those who stay in Delhi can also go and visit their store and pick your own choices, or else they have this website where you can place order. Coming on to the shipping process, yeah, shipping do take time, and that's the concern of many people, and that is a little drawback of this page. But I think I can wait for the price point and the quality and the design or the trendy pieces they offer. I am ready to wait for that long of a period, and it's like 15 days to a month. I stay in Mumbai and I get my orders in 15 after 15 days. 15 दिन से जल्दी तो हार्डली आई थिंक कुछ आया रहेगा जो मैंने ऑर्डर किया है. आई हैव ऑल्सो ऑर्डर्ड फुटवेयर फ्रॉम देयर, एंड दिस इज नॉट ओनली द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम ऑर्डरिंग. इससे पहले भी मैं बहुत बार ऑर्डर कर चुकी हूँ. So that's the thing, that the shipping is little bit late. So if you're planning to order, थोड़े टाइम पहले ऑर्डर करो and just keep it, and I would suggest you order COD so that it's not always in your mind worrying कि यार अभी तक नहीं आया, अभी तक नहीं आया, पैसे डूब तो नहीं गए. That's not the thing, but always I prefer ordering in COD. So that's the thing, and they don't have return policies, but you can exchange if your size is wrong or you get something which is too loose or too tight. You can surely exchange, and वो exchange करके आपको मिल जाएगा. So the next combo is 1199. Like 1200 के अंदर हमें 3 चीजें मिलती है. So one is like one piece and all का category. One is like a gown as well, not like a proper gown, but you can say like a slit gown. Or they also have skirts in this. They have trousers in this. They also have sweat pants in this, joggers. So you can like search it out. अच्छे से time लो 1 घंटा, पूरा कलेक्शन देखो, एंड देन यू कैन मेक चॉइस कि आपको कौन सा 3 आइटम लेना है. So let me just start off with the pants I got. So it's this one, the lavender pants which I got. It's again in the ribbed material. This is the material I've seen they use a lot. मैंने जितना भी लिया है, ordered 6 items, and all 6 of them are in this ribbed sort of material. So this is the material it comes in, and these are the pants. It's like full नीचे तक pants हैं, and these are baggy. So this was one of that, and I would say अगर ये थोड़ा baggy होता या size options होते इसके अंदर, तो I would have been more happy, because ये जो size मैंने ली है वो है L और XL दोनों को fit होने वाली, and still it's like quite fitted. I wanted something loose, नीचे से loose है, but from thighs area ये थोड़ा सा tight है, which I don't like much. And yeah, this is a little see-through. So the next item is 2 one piece. I got 2 one piece. One is in this brown color. I am obsessed with browns and those brown family ke shades. They are so amazing, and this is the one piece I got from there. Inside it's this kind of a ruched detailing, and then there is like a knot over here. First, while ordering, I actually thought कि ये जो knot है, we can like pull it up and accordingly we can like decide the length of this, but no, that's not the case. I wanted to short this little bit. It is ruched from here, so वो effect वैसी देता है, but this loops over here are actually stuck there. Like आप ये देखो, यहाँ से fitted है, so you can't squeeze in and wear like that. And ये एक ही तरफ है, दूसरी तरफ it's like this plain, and it's like sleeveless, and material again it's ribbed. So this is the one piece. I love it a lot. It's like really body hugging because of the ribbed material, and this is my favorite out of all. So the next one is this black one. Obviously haul video हो and एक black तो बनता है, which is again ribbed material, and it's kind of same like that one, but the thing is कि ये one shoulder है. So this is like a one shoulder one, and ये रिप्ड मटेरियल तो इसके लिए वो प्रॉपरली हक कर रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो नीचे हो जा रहा है, स्टेडी नहीं रहता. देयर इज नो इलास्टिक टू होल्ड, बट इफ यू ऑर्डर द करेक्ट साइज वो नीचे नहीं आएगा, वो प्रॉपरली अपने प्लेस पे स्टिक होके रहेगा. एंड दिस इज अगेन दोनों साइड से रूस्ड है. इसमें उसमें एक ही तरह से था, इसमें दोनों साइड से रूस्ड भी है. एंड दिस इज लाइक अ वन शोल्डर. सो पार्टी वेयर के लिए या बर्थडेज के लिए ये काफी अच्छा है. दोनों साइड से है. एंड अगेन द सेम थिंग कि इसके अंदर भी फेक लूप्स दिए, सो यू कांट लाइक पुल एंड स्क्वीज इन, एंड थोड़ा लेंथ शॉर्ट या लंबा अपने हिसाब से कर सकते हो. दिस इज द ओनली लेंथ यू कैन वेयर इन. बट या लाइक फेक तरह का आपको रूज डिटेलिंग मिल जाता है. And this ruche looks really good. So yeah, that's it. These are all the things I have bought from Street Style store. If you want me to try any another thing like the footwears or the party wear collection, so if you want me to try any of those boots, footwear, any of these, do comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe कर दो, share करो ये वीडियो को, like this video, push the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Love yourself and bye bye.